The question we are solving now belongs to test series 3. It is of power electronics subject. In specific, it belongs to commutation circuits for silicon controlled rectifiers. The question is numbered 50. It is a common data question. As per the question, the resonant pulse commutation circuit of a thyristor T1 is as shown in the figure. The commutation circuit contains a capacitor C and inductor L and a diode D, and there is another auxiliary thyristor called TA, which is mainly for the commutation of T1, and the load which is shown draws a constant current of I0. It's given that Vs is the supply input voltage, which is given as Vs equal to 100 volts, and C is equal to C, the capacitance is equal to 1 microfarad, and the inductance L is equal to 1 microhenry, and the load current I0 equal to 20 ampere. We have to find the maximum absolute value of the current through the capacitor C. So we have to, for the different scenarios, we have to find the maximum absolute value of the capacitor current. We know that the thyristor T1 is triggered at T equal to 0, and it is assumed that the capacitor voltage, which is as shown, has a value of 100 volts, the initial value of 100 volts. So the initially thyristor T1 would be conducting, and the thyristor TA is off. So the thyristor current, which is IT1, can be given as 20 ampere, which is equal to load current, and IC of T is equal to 0 ampere. Now at T equal to T1, thyristor TA is triggered. At this point of time, the capacitor C, the inductor L form a tank circuit. Because the thyristor TA is triggered, the tank circuit is marked as shown. So the capacitor current IC of T is a sinusoidal with a peak value of Vs into root C by L. Now once the capacitor current reaches 0, then thyristor TA is off. Now the capacitor starts contributing to load current I0, and slowly the capacitor current IC of T reaches I0. That's when the thyristor T1 is off. So the maximum absolute value of the current through capacitor is can be written as max of Vs into root C by L comma I0. Here we know that Vs is 100 volts and C is 1 microfarad and L is 1 microhenry and I0 is 20 ampere. So this can be written as 100 amperes. So the maximum value of the current through capacitor is 100 amperes. So the correct option is